What if everything you see isn't everything there is? What if reality is bigger, far bigger than the 3 dimensions of space and the single dimension of time we experience every day? Imagine waking up tomorrow and suddenly you could see into the hidden dimensions of the universe. How would the world look? How would your life change? And what would it mean for humanity? We live in a 3D world. Length, width, height, add time, and we call it but many physicists believe this is not the full story. String theory suggests there could be 10, maybe even 11 dimensions. Right now, we can perceive them like a flat 2D being trying to imagine the depth of 3D. But what if tomorrow we suddenly could? The first change would be overwhelming. Imagine looking at a cube. In 3 dimensions, it's solid, finite. In 4 dimensions, you'd see every side of it at once, every hidden angle revealed. Privacy would vanish. Locked boxers, hidden rooms, even the walls of your own home would no longer conceal anything. To see higher dimensions would mean to see through the very fabric of matter. Cities, mountains, oceans, everything would appear alien. Instead of solid walls and opaque matter, all things would unfold into strange, layered patterns of geometry. You'd look at a person and see not just their face, but their organs, their heartbeat, the flow of their blood. Our entire sense of beauty, identity, even what it means to be human, would collapse in a single night. Why do scientists even believe in hidden dimensions? In string theory, extra dimensions are compact, curled up so tightly they're smaller than atoms. These hidden layers might explain the mysteries of the universe, why gravity is weaker than other forces, or how particles interact. If we could see them, we might discover shortcuts through space, wormholes, tunnels, folds, hidden in plain sight. The universe would no longer be a vast, empty void, but a labyrinth of hidden pathways. If humanity gained this ability, our world would be unrecognizable. Doctors could diagnose illness instantly. Engineers could manipulate unseen forces. Science would leap forward centuries overnight. But society, shaken. Secrets gone. Borders meaningless. Governments, industries, even religions could collapse under the weight of absolute visibility. Humanity would be forced to rethink trust, power, and even the definition of reality itself. Now imagine it happens suddenly, tomorrow morning. At first, panic. People terrified by sights they can't comprehend. Streets in chaos! But then, wonder. Artists creating visions of strange new landscapes. Scientists racing to understand what they're seeing. Humanity would struggle, but it would adapt. For the first time, we wouldn't just speculate about the hidden layers of reality. We'd be living inside them. But here's the deeper question. Could our minds even handle it? Maybe higher dimensions are hidden for a reason. Our brains evolved to survive in 3. To perceive more might overwhelm us, driving us insane, or it might elevate us. Give us a perspective beyond anything we've ever known. Like a flat circle, discovering the 3rd dimension of a sphere, multiplied across existence. So what if we could see other dimensions? Would we collapse under the weight of truth, or rise into something greater? For now, the extra dimensions remain hidden, curled up, invisible, out of reach. But one day, science may give us a glimpse. And when it does, we may discover that the universe has always been more than we can see. And maybe, so have we. If we could see higher dimensions, we might also see alternate versions of reality itself. Every choice, every possibility, existing side by side, branching across dimensions we never knew were there. In one, you live a different life. In another, Earth itself took a different path. Seeing these possibilities would change our understanding of free will, destiny, and even identity. Are we just one version of infinite selves, or the only one aware enough to ask the question? So what if we could see other dimensions? Would we collapse under the weight of truth? Or rise into something greater? For now, the extra dimensions remain hidden, curled up, invisible, out of reach. But one day, science may give us a glimpse. And when it does, we may discover that the universe has always been more than we can see. And maybe, so have we.